Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving an error message that might come up on your Windows computer. This says the computer does not meet the minimum requirements when installing the graphics driver. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best match to go back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to expand the display adapter section, so go ahead and double click on that. And then whatever your display adapter is listed under here, you want to right click on it and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have an Intel graphics entry listed under here, you want to go ahead and select that, and then just go select next at that point. Give it a moment here, and it should say Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Select close and restart your system, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.